YouTube channel. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a trade like this. So this is GBPJPY, as you all know, my best pair. So I actually make some analysis on this pair, and you see, I actually missed this move, this sweet move. It was very nice, but I missed it. How did I miss it? You can see very clearly that I actually set a buy limit order, which price hasn't triggered. Price just came close to it and start buying to the upside. Now, how did I set this buy limit order? I'm going to show you. So let's go straight to the analysis. So first of all, you want to turn your comprehend what I'm going to be showing you. So first of all, in a 1 hour time frame, what are you looking at? First of all, in the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is where I mark out my support and resistance, which is my previous high and low of the day. So looking very closely, you can see that this actually the market is in a uptrend. The market is trending to the upside. So everything you're going to be doing is just typically buy and buy and buy. The market is trending to the upside. So actually this was the previous low of yesterday, and I marked it out waiting for price to actually tap into this previous low of the day. So there's one secret you should always know: whenever the market is trending to the upside, you should always be looking out for the previous low of the day, because that's where price is going to tap as a support and buy to the upside. So this was the previous low of yesterday, and I drew it believing that because the market is trending, I believe that the price is going to hit on that zone, come back to that zone and create a demand zone where price is going to buy to the upside. So after drawing out my previous low of the day, I went to a 15 minutes time frame. Now in a 15 minutes time frame, I was actually looking at for a candlestick pattern at that zone after the London break. So looking very closely, a London break and shift to the upside, and later come down to tap into this previous day low zone, which I told you about. After price have tapped into this zone, this is the zone here. So I was waiting for a market structure shift for me to actually go into the trade, but the market was somehow I was actually a little bit busy with something very, very important also. So I was actually looking at this chart. So I decided to, first of all, I was in a 5 minutes time frame looking for a confirmation of a change of character, and let me go to a 5 minutes time frame and show you what I did here. I actually, this was a break of structure, and this was a change of character, and price change character at this moment, and this was the other block here. So I was actually waiting for price to tap into this other block. I drew a trend line from this point to this point, and believing that price is going to come sweep out liquidity from here, because there are liquidity here, there are buyers, there are people that took buys from here. So I was waiting for price to actually come and sweep up these buyers and hit at this other block and buy to the upside. And you know, the other block is more value when there's a fair value gap. Actually, there was no fair value gap, but this was a demand zone where I believe price is going to tap in, then buy to the upside. So price actually did not tap in. I actually make a mistake where I should have actually take this trade at this point here, because there's a demand zone here which I would have taken this trade, but well, I missed it, so I had to look for another opportunity. However, price broke above, creating a market structure shift here. I waited for a retest and a tap into this demand zone after price has sweep up some liquidity, but price actually, I missed this trade and price bought to the upside. So you can see I draw this arrow because I was indicating that price is going to tap into this zone and trigger me, then I'm going to be buying to this point. So you can see price actually did not trigger me and price buy to the upside. So I was waiting for more opportunities at this level, so I marked out a demand zone here. This was the demand zone. Our price broke structure here, created a demand zone here. Price was just buying, the trend of the market was too high, so this was the zone I marked out. I was waiting for price to actually come back and tap me in here, then I'm going for the buy, but you never can tell. Price did not trigger me. You can look, I put a buy limit order here, the price did not trigger me in. So guys, this is actually the trade I would have taken on GBPJPY. So I actually missed two opportunities on GBPJPY. I would have actually taken a trade here, and I would have for sure taking a trade here, but I missed it. So that's just how it is. That's just how the market is. Sometimes the market just plays out the way it wants. So guys, if you know you need me to be dropping more videos like this on about trading, I want you to actually subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification, like and share this video so that I'll be encouraged to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching.